First, while this representation recognizes the importance of legislative oversight, I believe that it is equally important that information shared in this plenary is accurately based on facts, not assumptions, not insinuations, and certainly not on incomplete information. Hindi po dapat ginagamit ang plenaryong ito upang lahad na mga haka-haka o paratang na walang sapat na basehan. On the alleged ties between Congressman Edwin Gadiola and Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, their association is purely professional, as Congressman Gadiola is also a member of the House of Representatives and a fellow Batangueño. There are no personal interests involved, but only a shared commitment to fulfill their duties to their constituents. Walang katotohanan ang mga alegasyon ni Congressman Leviste na mayroon silang may mga maanumalyang transaksyon. Fake news po yan, Mr. Speaker. This representation is not privy to the motives of my colleague from the 1st District of Batangas, but let it be known, hindi po tayo basta-basta nagpapadala sa mga inimbentong issue dahil alam po natin kung ano ang katotohanan dito. In fact, I will not stand idly by and let these so-called facts be presented as truth.